Hidden in these ancient words from Saint Teresa of Avila is a profound teaching on the inner castle. She writes about the soul's journey towards divine connection, depicted as a multi-layered castle leading us to ultimate union with the divine. To understand Saint Teresa's inner castle, imagine the soul progressing through different chambers, each representing stages of spiritual growth. Her teachings emphasize self-awareness, humility, and prayer as essential keys to unlocking these doors. In today's world, Teresa of Avila's insights offer guidance on navigating modern life's complexities. Her wisdom inspires us to cultivate an inner sanctuary amidst external chaos, prioritizing spiritual practices to foster inner peace and resilience. Reflect on Teresa's legacy, where her teachings call for a deep introspection. They challenge us to seek spiritual fulfillment beyond material pursuits, inviting us to embark on a transformative quest for deeper meaning and unity with the divine.